Here's page 2, problem 3. I'm going to, again, do this in the vertical format. I'm going to write the first polynomial, 2x cubed minus 5x squared plus 7x plus 11. And notice it's in descending degree order and there are no powers skipped. 3, 2, 1, 0. And this is going to go underneath the other x to the third, under the other x squared, under the other x's. Notice I'm copying the signs also. And now it's a simple matter to just add. 11 and negative 5 makes a plus 6. 7x and 2x makes a 9x. Minus 5 and 6 makes a plus 1, plus 1x squared. We do not need to write the 1. You can, but it's not needed. And 2 and negative 1 makes 1, so we get 1x cubed there. So there's our answer for question 3. You might want to pause this for a moment, try 4 on your own, and then come back and see if you got it right. So I'm going to write this down. This one's a little fishy. Negative 5x squared, and then plus 1x to the first power, and then minus 4x. I'm sorry, just minus 4. Now, this is 3x to the third. We had no x to the third, so I make another column over here for the 3x to the third. There's no x squared there, no problem. The next thing is x. Put the x underneath the other x, put the plus 4 under the minus 4. And now we'll go ahead and add. Minus 4 and 4 makes 0, so I can write plus 0, but why bother? 1x and 1x, 2x. And then minus 5x squared has nothing to add to, so I just copy it. And I should have said here plus, it adds up to plus 2x. So minus 5x squared. And finally, there's no other x cubed, so I just copy that. So that's my question number 4 response. Which brings us down to number 5. And again, I'm going to use vertical method. I think that's the safest until you get a good eye for spotting like terms and working left to right. This is generally safer for most students. Okay, copy that correctly. A lot of the mistakes made on exams are simply you rush and you make a careless error. There's x cubes, that goes over here. Make a new column for that. Put that underneath the other square term, put that underneath the other x term, and put that in the constant column. And, you know, I've been working this way. I can work this way, too, with this vertical format. 3x cubed by itself. 1x squared and 6x squared, that makes 7x squared. 3x and minus 1x, that makes plus 2x. Minus 7 plus 8 makes a 1. So that's the end of that. That takes care of page 2.